Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to export one chart as a separate PDF file in Excel. After creating a chart in Excel, you may want to save the chart as a PDF for presentations, reports, or for other purposes. So how? And how about reporting multiple charts and saving them into one PDF file? This method is talking about exporting or saving one chart as a separate PDF file in Excel. Please do as follows. Right-click the blank area of one chart that you will save as a separate file of PDF and select the Move Chart from the right-clicking menu. In the opening Move Chart dialog box, check the New Sheet option, and by default the new sheet chart name is named as Chart 1, but you can type a custom chart sheet name into the box right to the New Sheet option. And click the OK button. Now you get into the newly created chart sheet. As you can see, click on the File tab and select Save As. Click on the Browse. In the opening Save As dialog box, specify a destination folder to save the PDF file. Select the PDF from the Save As Type drop-down list and click the Open button, then click the Save button. So far the specified chart has been exported and saved as a separate PDF file already. This method will remove the specified chart from the original sheet into a newly created chart sheet. As you can see, the chart is moved from sheet 1 to the newly created chart sheet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.